Hello, everyone. Welcome again back to the Inner Life 101. And this is another update on Eligio Bishop, as you see him here. And he is obviously coming home tonight, and or he's already here. We haven't heard from him yet. But here we have him in his handcuffs, and they look like they had leg shackles on him. And he has a jumpsuit on too, looks like. Um, anyways, I'll get right to it. Do me a favor, like the video and subscribe to the channel. And also, there's a video on here where they were transporting him. So stay to the end of the video. Um, Probably the middle ways it will be on, but they were transporting him and another, I think two other carbonation members. So they were taking them and putting them on the plane, and well, not putting them on the plane, taking them out of the van and everything, and taking them to the airport. So stay tuned. We have news that carbonation is on their way home. This Facebook post says that members of Carbonation are being sent back to the mainland right now after cutting plea deal for quarantine violations on the Big Isle. So all 21 are flying home tonight and tomorrow. It's being paid for by Visitor Aloha Society of Hawaii, which is funded by the tourism taxes. The health director says that all tested negative for the COVID-19. So here's the photos. Let's see if I can get a good photo here. We got the Bubble G sitting there. We got I don't know who these other guys are, but they have their face masks on. Where do you get face masks from, right? The other guy has one, the one you would expect, the one on the other end. Legio's look like a muzzle, and the guy in the middle, I know they feel so bad after all of that, but he always does that to himself, and he don't know why he does that kind of stuff, but there you go. Oh, it's colors. This mask has colors on it or something. So they're coming home soon, guys. And let's see if we can find out. I saw another video where someone was walking around their home, or the place where they were staying. Maybe I can share that with you. Let's see. Well, let's see. There was more pictures. I didn't see that. But it says a picture of Eligio Bishop's follower showing him where he messed up in Hawaii. I don't know if that's a joke or not. Be prepared, because we know they would not dare try to show him where he messed up. Be prepared. He may or may not have some negative things to say about us, but know this: Hawaii has set a standard. Do not bring your hiwa here. Aloha. He's saying goodbye to him. And that's him. We was talking about his hips. And I know I kind of pointed out that he has hips, don't he? Okay, here we go. Is that them? They said he was going to be exported. That is them at the airport. Yep, on his way home. Let's see it again. It says here, it says, here's big proof, island peeps, that Nature Boy is heading back to the mainland. Yeah, he never really noticed that about him.
Hey everyone. So yeah.
Now this is the man who went to his house.
Upsetting. I was cussing a lot, so if anyone's watching that, offended or well, but I sorry, yeah, that's not me, but right now down to those guys' house. So let me turn this camera on. Yeah, that's the house, guys. So my house is down the road over there, but this is the neighbor's car, but yeah, these guys, they're good. So yeah, you get his advertisement to them. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, this is car.
That sign said Hawaii, say no to carbonation.
People, so we all worry about here. These guys worry. These guys worry. The ones down the road worry. This is the house these guys stay in right now. Oh, actually no. If you see my video earlier, you're gonna know they're not here. So they're not doing the quarantine. And yeah, I know they're supposed to leave sometime. I don't know when, but it's like here. And yeah. Yoshibo. Oh yeah. But yeah. Oh, so what's up, guys? So I don't know if you've seen the video earlier. I went 50 signs around towards them, so you know they can read them. But they actually came back. That's why I walked down, because I seen the van come in where I was, my house. I seen the van come down there. I started walking down. By the time I got here, the van was going back. So I don't know if people are here or what. But you know, gotta go home. You know. So if you never seen my other video, more tents, and apparently one local brother saw, the neighbor was telling me one story. One local brother went jumped the fence, so slamming onto all kinds of stuff. You walk back here, you rip up this tent and throw him on the ground. So I don't know who you, but good job, huh? Oh man, and yeah, they got the other tent back there. And yeah, these guys, they're something else, man.
Here, this was when he was in court today. It says, I know they already left, but I'm just sharing because there's a little bit more information in here. It says, don't want to be repetitive, so if it's already, yeah, okay. Carbonation leader pleads no contest to violating quarantine. Group to leave. There he is. Wow. Jumpsuit. Wow. I thought he had on the same clothes. Okay, guys, here's another video with, I guess he was, I'm not sure if he was taking him, let's see, it said it was cult leader being sent back to the mainland. So I guess they were taking him to the airport.
So we gotta put them in the cockpit. Ready? Ready? Okay, let's go ahead. Yeah, you can go get you down. It's pretty cool, bro. We're laid back. We're not even like what they don't want like that. We're chill, bro. God, chill. We're Americans. Counters. And also at the arrivals terminal, the baggage claim fleet. Once again, restrooms are available on the second floor of the Hawaiian Airlines. All right, so are you going to allow people that are in the jail to go get the stuff tomorrow? No, not in the jail. Oh, someone outside the jail. Okay. But you have 30 days to arrange it. Oh, we got 30 days to arrange it. We're going to call to arrange that. Call the facility. You might need a book bag. I don't have an ID. Would you like to say anything? Yeah, but just give me a wait. Oh, don't talk. Okay? Don't talk. You can't talk?
There you have it, everyone. Eligio Bishop is back on the plane and coming home. Well, coming back to the mainland, as they put it, which is his home, not Hawaii. Anyways, I can say one thing about this whole thing is that Eligio has made himself, just by showing up in Hawaii and making the statements he made online and talking to these people and being just the disrespectful Eligio that he has made Hawaiian enemies. And now I was reading through some of the comments, and they're saying that they're going to be monitoring them. They're going to be, doing different things. And in this post, it says, if you have Instagram, search Immortal and look for an and look for any account with Cash App Professor Musa. It says leave comments, and they are not leave comments that they are not welcome here by any means, and flag all accounts. They're not welcome back here by any means, and flag all accounts. So they're on them, and they're going to stay on them until I don't know when. But they're very upset about what he's done and what he said to them. Looks like they have a whole list of his all of his accounts and everything here. They're not playing with Eligio. Um, Down at the bottom, it says Immortal Babaji. I'm taking the hood with me to the tropics. Watch. It don't matter if you have a felony and can't get a passport. We can go to Hawaii. Let me see that trap money, my nigga. I feel funny even saying that. I'm going to show you a better life and keep your ass at your ass out of these jails. Like I said, I came back for my peoples. Uh, F all F a passport. Google Hawaii, my nigga, and go to images. And anyways, another one of the posts says they were making fun of that he was saying that to people, and that was also something they were referring to, saying that he was planning on bringing a whole lot more people with him, that he's planning on bringing the hood with him. That's what it says. So, and that's obviously what he was saying, because I didn't know that earlier. But there we have it. Elijah Bishop on his way back home with the being accompanied by the authorities, being monitored and transported by the authorities. I had one other.
So
But I guess that's it. There he is. That's his mugshot with a little smug grin on his face. What, you know, what for? He had fun. Did he have fun, y'all? I guess he had a good time, because he has to save face. He has to show everybody that what, you know, he's still just the same old arrogant. Oh, anyways. Okay, guys. Thank you for joining me. Do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and blessings.